All right, today we are going to talk about 10 superfoods you should probably be eating every single day. We're going to cut through all the confusing stuff and get right to what the science says can make a real difference in how you feel. So let's just dive right in. So, do you ever feel like you're just drowning in health advice? You know, one day coffee is good for you, the next it's terrible. One minute you should eat carbs, the next you shouldn't. It's just completely overwhelming, right? Well, that's what we're here to do. We're going to slice right through all that noise. We've done the homework and boiled it all down to 10 absolute powerhouse foods that are scientifically backed to boost your daily vitality. This is simple, clear, and stuff you can actually use, like today. Okay, so let's get into it with our first category, nutrient-dense foundations. I want you to think of these foods as the absolute non-negotiables, the essential building blocks for a healthy body.
First up, dark leafy greens. We're talking spinach, kale, chard, all that good stuff. I love this idea of them being your body's internal cleanup crew. They are just packed with essential vitamins like A, C, and K. And look, making sure you get these in every day is one of the easiest ways to help protect yourself from chronic disease down the road.
Next up, we've got cruciferous vegetables. You know them, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. What makes these guys so special is that they contain some really powerful compounds that a lot of research suggests have amazing protective properties. Basically, they help fire up your body's own natural detox systems.
And rounding out our foundations is the good old egg. I mean, it's pretty much a perfect source of high-quality protein. But here's the secret. Don't you dare throw out that yolk. The yolk is a nutrient powerhouse. It's rich in something called choline, which is absolutely critical fuel for your brain.
All right, so now that we've laid the foundation, let's talk about the foods that actively protect us. We're calling this section the body's defenders, because their whole job is to shield your cells from all the damage and stress of daily life. And first up in this category, berries. How perfect is this analogy? Tiny bodyguards for your cells. Whether it's blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, they are loaded with antioxidants called polyphenols. And these little guys are crucial for protecting your long-term brain health and keeping your memory sharp.
So I just threw out that word polyphenols. You might be wondering, what on earth are those? Well, it's actually pretty simple. They're just powerful compounds found in plants that act like antioxidants. Their main job is to go around your body, fighting off stress and tamping down inflammation. Super important stuff.
Next up in our Defender Squad, we have nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds, you name it. They're just full of those good, heart-healthy fats and tons of fiber. Seriously, just adding a handful to your day is such a simple way to help keep inflammation in check.
And our final defender is green tea. Now, this is so much more than just a cozy drink. It is loaded with these unique antioxidants called catechins. And what they do is pretty amazing. They help boost your metabolism and even enhance brain function. It's no wonder this simple habit is linked to a longer, healthier life.
Okay, for our final section, we're getting really targeted. We're calling these the gut and brain boosters. And these foods provide specific, high-octane fuel for two of your body's most important and interconnected systems. First up is fatty fish. Think salmon, mackerel, even those little sardines. Why? Because they are hands down the best source of omega-3 fatty acids you can get. And you have to understand, omega-3s aren't just a nice to have, they are critical, essential fuel for both your brain and your heart. Next, let's talk about fermented foods. This is your yogurt, your kefir, your kimchi, and sauerkraut. The magic here is that they populate your gut with millions of beneficial bacteria or probiotics. And remember, a healthy gut isn't just about digestion. It's directly tied to a stronger immune system and even a better mood. So, to be super clear, probiotics are simply the live, good guy bacteria that help your gut microbiome thrive. And I absolutely love this phrase, calling the gut our body's second brain. It really drives home just how vital gut health is for, well, everything. Now for a kitchen staple. Extra virgin olive oil. It's a cornerstone of the world's healthiest diets, and for very good reason. It's full of powerful anti-inflammatory compounds, and there's great research showing it helps protect our brain cells as we age. But listen, quality really matters here. Get the good stuff. And we're going to end on a high note, a delicious one, dark chocolate. But, and this is a big but, it has to be 70% cacao or higher. That's where you find the good stuff, these things called flavanols, which are compounds that actually improve blood flow to the brain, helping you focus and can even give your mood a little lift. So we've covered the 10 foods, we've got this awesome list, but a list is just a list, right? The real question is, how do you actually put this into practice?
So this last section is all about turning this knowledge into real, sustainable action.
And honestly, it's way simpler than you might think. You don't have to eat all 10 every single day. That's not the goal. Just follow these 3 easy steps. 1. Just try to pick at least 3 foods from this list every day. 2. Aim for variety over the course of the week. And 3, and this is the most important one, focus on consistency, not perfection. A small step every day adds up to huge results.
And you know, this quote right here is really the biggest takeaway from all of this. It's not about a single meal, but a consistent pattern of eating that builds lifelong health. It's all about what you do most of the time. That's what really matters. So that brings us to the end. I want to leave you with one simple question to think about. Looking back at this list, what's the first food you're going to add to your plate tomorrow?